What's going on, everybody? I just picked up my car. It's good to have it back. You have no idea. I got it like a half hour ago. I don't have a shift scheduled or anything because I did not know when I would be delivering again, or when I'd be able to deliver again. And I'm at Taco Bell. So I just got my first order. I'm actually delivering to my own apartment complex, so that's kind of funny. First time I've done that with GrubHub. I'm gonna go grab the food and drop it off. Okay, so I just dropped off that food. Real quick, I just want to say thank you to all the support lately on my channel. I've seen a lot of you commenting on my videos, liking my videos. I really appreciate it, and it gets me excited to make more videos for you. So, first time, well, not a first time, but it's been a long time. I'm about to actually go back onto UberEats. Check it out. They told me that we are good to go. So I'm gonna hit go online. Action required. Take a picture to verify it's me. Man, these selfies, dude. You see this crap? I gotta get it like in that circle. Let's see. Hey, bro. Are we good? Check. Thanks for verifying. Cool. Go online. Come on. Hey. I'm so excited to deliver with Uber Eats. It's been a while, and they were always good to me. So I'm gonna go out and for a few hours, hopefully it'll get busy. It's right around dinner time. And I'll update you with any orders that come in. I just got another Taco Bell order for another apartment building close by. It's not where I live, but it's close. So I'm going to grab that. It's through GrubHub, nothing with Uber Eats yet, but that's okay. As long as I'm staying steady, I'll be out for at least a few hours. Now it's 6:14. I just grabbed some food from Red Robin for that GrubHub order. It was a stacked order that I got when I was dropping off that Taco Bell order. It's only 9 minutes away, which is awesome because it's a relatively high-paying order. And I was like, crap, I'm gonna have to go way out into the middle of nowhere. That's why people didn't want it. But it's actually a good order. 9 minutes away. I'm excited. That last Taco Bell order did give me a $3 cash tip, so that's awesome. I'm gonna go drop off this food, and we'll see. I mean, it's busy, so that's a good thing, right? Well, it's 6:30, and I'm at the drop-off location. It says in the instructions, call for directions to RV, because it's an RV park, right? There's no numbers or anything that I could find. Try calling them, and this is what happens.
The person you are trying to reach is not accepting calls at this time. Please try your call again later.
Not accepting calls. I've texted, there's no response. I have a timer going. It says, please continue trying to reach Jerry until 6:36 p.m. It's 6:32 p.m. and I guess at that point I just mark it delivered. I don't know. I'm not really sure. I've never had it come up. So we'll see. I might be getting burgers out of this. I don't know. Like, I tried driving, but it's just, there's RVs everywhere. I don't see a specific, like, there's a number in the app, but I don't see where the numbers are in the RV park. Yeah, I don't know what to do at this point. I'm gonna try making another little loop, see if I could find them. While I was waiting, I actually did get another order for Burger King, so I have another stacked order. As you can see, I've got that going on. It says pick up by 6:32, which is funny because I'm obviously not even close to there, but it is what it is. I feel bad because this person tipped me well, it was good pay. Like, I'm trying to find them, but I don't know what to do. Quick update, I did find the person. She saw that I marked that I arrived, and for whatever reason, maybe her number's wrong in the app or something, I don't know. She didn't get my texts or my calls, but I was able to deliver the food to her, so that's good. Like I said, she seemed really nice and sweet. I explained to her, because she's like, why do you not, is this your number? And it's like some GrubHub number, and I was like, no. I explained to her how it's, they block our numbers, that way we don't have anyone's personal information type of thing. So I don't get to see their number, they don't get to see mine, so I don't know if it's truly their number or not. But anyways, it's taken care of. I'm off to Burger King. It says I'm 15 minutes away, and I was supposed to pick it up a couple minutes ago, so I'm obviously going to be late, but it's alright. We just roll with the flow. I just got to Taco Bell for my third Taco Bell order of the night through GrubHub, so it's pretty busy. I'm going to mark that I arrived, and then I'm going to run inside, grab the food. I also picked up a shift, so I actually have a block from 7:30 to 8:30, which is awesome, because usually you get better orders during that. So I'm going to go grab this food real fast, and then I'm going to start my GrubHub shift. Alright, I just got the food from Lee's Station, or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's this Chinese food restaurant in the area. When I arrived, there was some unruly drunk person that they ended up having to call the cops on, so I had to wait quite a while for the food to get ready. I'm about to go drop it off real fast. Hopefully I get another order before my shift ends. If not, it's still been pretty busy tonight, so I'm sure I'll get something soon if I don't. I just got to Taco Bell for another Taco Bell order. Marking that I arrived now. I don't know if GrubHub maybe has a promotion going on, possibly. I know the last time I had a Taco Bell night that was this busy in the customer app, it was a perk, like special discount they had going on. So that might be the case. It's only 8:15, so it's not too bad. I don't know how late I'm going to work tonight. Probably 9, so I'm assuming I'm going to do like maybe one order after this Taco Bell order. But we'll see what happens. I'm going to run inside, grab the food, hope that it's a close drop-off, and that way I could do another order or two before I call it a night. Man, does it feel good to be out delivering again. It stinks having to take that break, but we're out here making money. I delivered for 3.5 hours with GrubHub, and I earned $52.51, and then I got a $3 cash tip, so it's, what's that, $55, I'm gonna call it, like, I think it's close to 15 or 16 an hour, something like that. I did get an email the other day from GrubHub talking about how I qualified for extra large orders. Let's see, I'm pulling it up now. It says you qualified for extra large orders. Your earnings could get an extra large upgrade. Great news, because of your work as a GrubHub delivery partner, you now have access to extra large orders. So I don't really know what that means. It says that the extra orders are over $150 in value before tip, meaning that you can make more money, just because if people are tipping on an order that big, it's going to be a nice tip, essentially. I don't know what I did. I thought maybe my rankings went up because I'm just a partner, but I'm still a partner, so I don't know how I earned that. Did I get good reviews maybe? I don't know. If you know the reason why they add extra large orders to your GrubHub access, I guess, let me know in the comments, because I really have no idea. Sadly, I did not end up getting any UberEats orders tonight, even though I had the app on for about an hour. I just didn't get any offers. Kind of strange, but that happens. I'll be back delivering regularly again, and I will see you next time.